Are you seeing search result in Google Chrome that you had rather not see? You can filter out this explicit result in Billing's Google SafeSearch in just few clicks. In this video, I will show you easily how to turn off or turn on SafeSearch. Let's go start. Before start video, please subscribe my channel. First, open your Chrome browse. See top right corner three dot line. Tap on three dot line. When you tap on setting. When you tap on setting, privacy and security. Tap on here. You also see and find this option safe browsing. Tap on safe browsing. You see this option not production. Tap on here. When you tap on, you will find turn off. Click on here, you will turn off. After then, you tap this option enhance protection. Select it, turn on safe browsing. Thanks for watching this video.